Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's class. My name is Miss Olaoye. Today we are looking at the subject literacy. Our topic is positive and negative sentences. Our topic is positive and negative sentences. Before I move on, let's quickly have a recap of what we learned in the last class. We learned punctuation mark, we learned ellipsis, quotation mark, apostrophe, and some other ones. Remember, we said ellipsis has to do with omission of words or letters. We also looked at apostrophe, which was referring to us picking the sentence or a set of words exactly the way they are used and putting them in what quotation mark. Today we are moving to positive and negative sentences. Before we move on, what is our learner's objective for today? Our learner's objective says at the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to define positive and negative sentence, enumerate examples of positive and negative sentences, and lastly, identify and change positive sentences to negative ones and vice versa. Okay, that means changing it from positive to negative and changing it back from negative back to positive. That's what we mean by vice versa. Okay, now let's move to definition of tense. What are positive sentences? Positive sentences are sentences which gives positive remarks about someone or something without doubting. Positive sentences are sentences which give positive remark about someone or something without doubting. Take for examples, I have Davis does his work. That's a positive one without doubting. Davis does his work. Oba will remember to do his take home. It is positive. There's no doubt in there. Chisom has good handwriting. It is positive. It's not a negative sentence. It doesn't make it look bad. It makes it look good. Only the best can win the prize. Or can the bad win the prize? No. So only the best can win the prize. The last sentence says, Maxwell thinks it will rain. My King Maxwell thinks it will rain. Do you think it will rain? It's also a positive sentence. Now, what makes these sentences different from a negative sentence? We are going to see it because we are also going to use these exact sentences we have used now to make our negative sentence. Now, let's move to what negative sentences are. What are negative sentences? Negative sentences are usually formed from positive sentences. Like, let's take for instance, I will go home. We can form a negative sentence from I will go home. My negative will become I will not go home. It makes it what? Negative. I will not go home. So, negative sentences are usually formed from positive ones by adding the word not between the helping verbs, like will. So I will not go home. And also adding it to the principal or the main verb. It is also gotten by adding prefix, opposite words, or with the use of neither nor, no, none, or never. I will never go home. None of us will go home. Do you get? So that's what makes a negative sentence. Negative sentences are always formed from the positive one. Now let's look at the example. Coming from the ones we used in the positive example. Remember the first one in that positive example we said Davis does his homework. Now we can say under negative, Davis does not do his homework. He doesn't do his work well. That's a negative one. Oba will not remember to do his take home. That's a mistake. Should be take home, not take work. So Oba will not remember to do his take home. Oba, is that true? Remember to do your take home. Chisom does not have good handwriting. It's a lie. Chisom has good handwriting. Yes, she does. Yes. But this is a statement. It's not truly true. So Chisom does not have good handwriting. None but the best can win the prize. You remember that the former one was only the best. Now none but the best can win the prize. Made it was negative. And lastly, remember King Maxwell thinks it will rain. Now King Maxwell does not think it will rain. That means King Maxwell is having two minds. Why is he thinking it will not rain? Okay, it's just a statement to show that this is what negative. King Maxwell thinks it will rain. He doesn't think it will rain. That's the negative aspect. For the positive, King Maxwell thinks it will rain. So let's quickly have a recap before we call it a day. Now, the topic, don't forget, is what? Positive sentences and negative sentence. We looked at positive sentence, which give positive remark about someone or something without doubting. It doesn't make people to doubt you. And look at negative sentence that they are usually formed from the positive one, either by adding the word not between a helping verb and the principal or the main verb, and it's also gotten by adding prefix, opposite words, or with the use of neither, no, none, and never. We looked at different example. Example under positive, we say Davis does his work well, and under negative, Davis does not do his work well. Oba will remember to do his take home or his own work. Oba will not remember to do his own work. Chisom has good handwriting, positive, negative. Chisom does not have good handwriting, negative. Only the best can win the prize, positive, negative. None but the best can win the prize. That is for negative. And lastly, Maxwell thinks it will rain. That is for what? Positive. And negative, we have here that Maxwell doesn't think it will rain. Okay, we've come to the end of today's class. I would love you to do your exercises. We have them in two phases. Okay, the first one says change the following sentences to negative sentence. Number 1, Olumarytemi is my best friend. Oh, Sunny is my best friend. Teniola is taller than Glory. Chinonso also bears glory, yes. Teniola is taller than Glory. The girl is like her mother. Babies too like to chew bone. I can carry that heavy tank. Don't forget, when you are changing Olumarytemi is my best friend, it will become to the negative. Olumarytemi is not my best friend. Do you understand? Now to the other aspect of your exercise. The other aspect says change these negative sentences to positive. Change these negative sentences to positive. 6. Triumph is not always absent. That means triumph is always absent for positive. Tobiwa is not as energetic as his brother. I shall never forget your piece of advice. There is no bigger city in Nigeria other than Ibadan. My best friend will never let me fall down, but fall from that tall tree. So you change all the sentences to positive. Don't forget, I will always advise you to pause your classwork, write it quickly in your notebook, snap it and send to me. You can see my number displayed on the screen. So we've come to the end of today's class. I hope to hear from you. I hope to have your assignments coming, your exercises coming. I've received some of them. I want to receive more. So please do your exercises, snap it and send it to me. And you'll be amazed at the way I will quickly mark it and send it back to you. So till I come your way next time, stay safe, be good. We keep praying that this will be over and we'll see ourselves very soon. I love you all. Kisses, bye.